Finalizing a bank reconciliation statement is the last and most important step in closing your books. Let's do it the simple way. A bank reconciliation, or BRS, explains why your cash book balance and your bank statement don't match on a given date. The simple method has just 2 steps. First, update your cash book, then prepare the reconciliation. Step 1. Update the cash book. Add what the bank recorded but you didn't. Interest of 120, then subtract bank charges of 90. Your adjusted cash book balance is 45,500. Step 2. The reconciliation. Start with the balance as per the bank statement, 48,250. Add deposits in transit, 6,400 you have recorded, but the bank hasn't cleared yet. Then subtract outstanding checks, 9,150 issued but not yet presented. That gives 45,500, exactly matching your adjusted cash book. The difference is 0. It reconciles. Now, finalize. Confirm the difference is 0. Clear or carry forward every open item. Post the adjusting entries and attach your support. Then document the reconciliation and get reviewer or CPA sign-off. That is a finalized BRS. At OBG Outsourcing, every bank and credit card account is reconciled to the penny every month and finalized under a 3-level review. OBG Outsourcing. Clean books, reconciled, and signed off. Visit oboutsourcing.com.